Okay, so before we even put the notes in, what I want you to do is we're gonna practice the double stops just with rhythms. So, this first bar is gonna go. Okay.
Okay.
So, ready, go. Okay. Now, isolate it. Now, do the upper line. Well, the upper line you don't do. Okay, now try the bottom line. What note is that?
You were right before.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that wasn't bad.
That was really good. You know what I love what you did? You corrected your 2
Yeah.
and 3. That makes me so happy.
Okay. Why don't we try it together?
Okay.
Take it slow,
Okay.
because it might be harder. Don't apply too much.
Yeah.
Don't apply too much pressure to the bow. Yeah, that's it.
You did the rhythms earlier, and that was just fine. You had the right amount of pressure for that.
Okay.
You don't need a lot of pressure, right?
No.
So.
I don't know what.
Okay,
I don't
it's
know
fine.
What, as soon as I put my fingers down, it's like I lose my. I don't know.
Listen, the top is just an E.
Yeah.
So if you just focus on the bottom, you'll be okay. Focus more on the A string than the E.
Okay. I feel like I hit the E though, with my.
With your fingers or
with my fingers.
Well,
just really.
Well, then, what does that say about your hand position?
It's flat,
So what should it be?
random.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
You're doing good.
You got it.
Take out the slur.
Mm-hmm.
Play this
Just
out of
play it,
rhythm.
yeah.
Don't play it in a rhythm. Let's just do this as just. What I want you to try? Play the B first. And add the E.
There you go. Keep that pressure. So you're already adding more pressure. You can hear
I
it.
don't know.
Are you adding pressure because you think you need to because you're not the angle of the string is throwing you off, or?
No, I don't even know what it is.
you have a very flat angle, try angling the stick, try angling the stick away from you.
You hear the crunch in the beginning? Okay, ready? So do what you did with Alex before. Just play the B. And then add the E. So I want you to do it as an exercise, basically. I want you to do the B, add the E, then do it together. No slurs yet.
That's good.
Focus on everything being light. Everything's light.
Okay, you know what I want you to think? Okay, think of the weight distribution in relation to where you are in the bow. So the heaviest part of the bow is at the frog, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you don't need a lot of weight, right? You're actually mostly supporting the bow rather than letting it like gravity fall, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, and then as you get, the problem is that even when you're up here, you're applying the same amount of weight as if you were down here. It gets a lot lighter. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Okay. Now I want you to try that while thinking about like do the double stops while thinking about your bow distribution or like the weight distribution. Could it be the tension?
I don't know.
Yeah, maybe, probably.
So, what are some things we've had you do before to help with the tension?
I don't know, like move it.
And
Don't
what
forget,
else?
I think what's killing you too is you're starting here, you're going like that.
Yeah, I know.
dipping.
You keep picking it up.
See how like my fingers aren't even touching? Do you see how I'm putting almost no weight on this this fingerboard? It requires no weight, I promise you. Good. Okay, now apply that.
Okay.
Honestly, okay, ready for this? Do this measure, just the bottom line.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to repeat the same measure, but you're going to add the E string. And then you're going to stop. See, that was a lot better.
Mm-hmm.
I just feel like I don't hit the string every time. Like I don't know.
That's
when
You're
it
going to
is.
get, but that's something to get used to.
Okay.
So
That's just practice.
it's also like you have to figure out which angle
Mm-hmm.
you hit it on.
Is that a double stop?
Yes.
Damn it. Sorry. How do you go from like?
You need to tune your E.
Listen, before you continue on, you're making it a lot harder for yourself. Use pivot fingers. This is like, that's what I feel like you're doing. Are you ready?
Also, for this one, put your finger so
Bar
that
it.
it can fit on both strings. That way you don't even have to move the finger.
Is that gonna be enough pressure though for both of them? Or?
You're gonna get it. It'll be fine.
This is not like cello where you have to put more pressure. Yes.
That's it. And it also keeps the hand pad, like,
Yes, it keeps the hand frame.
good. That's high 2, and that's low 2.
Okay.
Okay? So just write your difference.
This is my like favorite song ever.
Is it?
Oh my god, I remember playing this in 6th grade. You are at a 3rd year level right now. That's what you're playing.
Don't do the slurs yet.
What kind of 2 is that?
High 2? No.
Is it?
Low 2.
So what is it pinching?
1 and 2.
Yes. You sound
Okay.
exactly like I did in 6th grade. It's so...
I mean, I
This is so...
There you go.
Sing it. Sing it.
Nice.
Sol, la, ti, do, or do, re, mi, fa.
Or
La, la, la. Like, just sing that passage.
la 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 la
What I'm trying to get is get it in your head.
I can't. I'm.
Do you want us to sing with you? We'll stop there.
Okay.
But if you can sing it, you can play it. If you can't sing it, you can't play it.
Okay.
Pinch it.
Okay. No, that's good.
You know what's funny is that when you do the BC here, it's good. But when you did it both times, you've developed a habit of doing it too high.
Yes.
So you need, that's something, like when you go to practice, you need to write that in. That's a low 2.
Okay.
Okay? That sounds good though. Sounds really good. Your 4th finger sounds great though.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. God. Try to maintain your tempo. Da 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 da.
Should I use 4?
I don't know why. What kind of 2 is that? I mean, you can. I wouldn't tell my students they have to. Play the notes out of rhythm.